This is CodeCombat. I'm working on Wakka Maul, the Python version. If you're doing this as a class, it's Introduction to Computer Science, level 19. So these hashtags over here, or pound signs if you're as old as I am, start each comments. Comments are for people to read. The code of the computer just skips over them. So let's see what it says. It might be a hint. Welcome to Wakka Maul. Prepare for combat. Venture through the maze and pick up gems to fund your war chest. Break down doors to unleash allies or enemies. For example, to attack the door labeled D, use hero They said this, they mean hero. Dot attack D. If you have enough gold, and this is our amount of gold right next to the name, you can call out for help by saying the type of unit you would like to summon. Hero say thrower to summon up to 2 throwers at 9 gold each. Hero say scout to summon a scout costing 18 gold. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. So, up, left, let's see what this is. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to lose. So, there's a few ways to do this. I want to solve it just by summoning, alright? It's fun to kind of figure out which way you are going to conquer this level. But I want to do it by just through summoning. So then I'm going to go left 1, because I'm going to need more gold. I only have 2 right now, it says. Left 1, and then down, let's try down 3. And then I'm going to, whoops. Okay, I can summon 2 heroes say. I can summon 2, I can summon 2 throwers, was it? 2, let's see, yep. I can summon 2 throwers. Excellent. So, I'm going to do thrower. Okay. And then I'm going to say thrower. Perfect. And then 1 scout, I believe. Let's see what this does. Maybe they'll be strong enough. We're going to drop down here. Thrower. And there they are. You can see them jumping out and attacking. Let's see how we do. Okay, that went well. That went well. Go, team. Whoa. 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 Alright, so, how much do I have? Oh, it looks like I have enough to, well, let's move down 1 more. And then I'm going to go retreat. So up, let's say up 2. And I should have enough here to summon all of these again. So I'm actually just going to copy and paste those. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go kind of hide because they're going to do the hard work. Thrower. Good. Go, team, go. Good. Oh, is that? We did it. Woo! All right. So there is one other way. Well, there's a bunch of ways to solve this one, which makes it kind of fun. I want to show you one other way. I'm going to go ahead and hit restart. Reload all. Alright, so we already did it by summoning troops. Now I'm going to try to do it by freeing our allies. Okay, so we know what's going on here. We can summon stuff. We can attack doors. Great. Gonna get rid of that stuff. Okay. Move. Yeah, we know all that too. Getting rid of that. Let me hit run. I think it's the exact same code here. We're going to free these guys. Yep. Alright. And then I want our hero to walk over. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not blocking it. Alright, let's say left. I'm not exactly sure. Let's try 3 and let's go ahead and test. Is that enough? Can we zoom out a bit? Oh, that is not enough. I was zoomed in so I could see the words. Alright, so I guess we need to go left 4 and then down 1. Let's try this. Yep, and now this is B and C. So we're going to do attack. Oh, no, not that. Attack. B. Attack. C. And should we move down? No, let's see how this does. Okay, so there we are. Go, friends, help us. And I'm going to be lazy and hang out up here. They're taking it out. Oh, there's all these guys. Oh, that big guy looks tough. He's got them. We got one defender. Oh, but that's just one guy. We should be alright, I think. Simple. And that works as well. Obviously, there was a guy coming at us, but they ran out of time, and we had destroyed enough of them. If you want, you can summon a few more. But, ta-da! We did it. And that actually completes this course. So, if you have access to other courses, CodeCombat is really, really excellent.